the online class of 7th standard. Today we are going to see practice set 17, question number 5 and 6. So first question number 5. Rectangle PTMN is a rectangle. Write the names of the pairs of supplementary angles. Here quadrilateral PTMN is a rectangle and find the pairs of supplementary angle. So I draw here PTNM. So every angle of a rectangle is a right angle. And what is the measure of right angle? 90 degree. And in the question, find the pairs of supplementary angles. What is meant by supplementary angle? The angle whose addition is 180 degree means when the two angles addition is 180 degree, they are called supplementary angles. So here P and T, 90 plus 90, 180 degree means P and T. First pair we get. Here P and M, 90 plus 90, 180 degree. P and M means every angle is a right angle. So how to write pairs of supplementary angles? Angle P and angle T, angle P and angle M, angle P and angle N, angle T and angle N, angle T and angle M, and last angle M and angle N. Means every angle is supplementary of here three angles. Why? Because every angle of a rectangle is a right angle. And what is the definition of supplementary angle? When the measure of the sum of the measure of the two angles is 180 degree, they are called supplementary angles. Here P and T first pair, P and M second pair, P and N also third pair, and how many get we get 6 pairs of supplementary angles.
Question number 6. If measure angle is equal to 70 degree, what is the measure of the supplement of the complement of A? What is the question? What is the measure of the supplement of the complement of A? So first we find out the complement of A, then we get the answer, means complement of A, and that complement of A is related to the supplement of A.
So look, what is the measure of the supplement of complement of A? First we find the complement of A. So angle A and angle B are the two angles here. Suppose what is the measure of angle A? 70 degree. So first find out the complement of A. So angle A plus angle B is equal to 90 degree. Why? According to the question, complementary angle. So what is the measure of angle A? 70 degree. Angle B means complement of A, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. So angle B is write down here 70 degree, left side right, left side. In addition, right side subtraction. Angle B is equal to 90 degree minus 70 degree. We get angle B is equal to 20 degree. Means we get the complement of A. What is the measure of complement of A? Angle B 20 degree. Now find the complement of angle in the supplementary. So angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree means supplementary angle. We have the measure of angle B means supplementary angle. So angle A as it is, angle B measure 20 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle A is equal to 20 left side addition, right side subtraction, 180 degree minus 20 degree. So angle A is equal to 160 degree. So look once again here. What is the measure of the supplement of the complement A? So first find out the complement of A means angle A and angle B are the two angles. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 90 degree complementary angle. We have measure 70 degree. Angle A, angle B is equal to 90 degree. So we get angle B 20 degree means complement of A, angle B 20 degree, and then angle B supplementary angle. Find out the supplement of angle B. So angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree means supplementary angle. So angle A is equal to 180 degree minus 20 degree. Angle B is a 20. 180 degree minus 20 degree means angle A is equal to 160 degree. So today we see practice set question number 5 and 6. Question number 5, find the pairs of supplementary angle, and Then in question number 6 we find the supplementary angle of the complement of A.